Gustless Cuts by Israel.
All right, we finished up this project where we worked on an old patio that was in need of repair. We cleaned and resealed it, put in a nice little fire pit here off the patio, and then we added this new section, which is all clay paver. It doesn't tend to fade over the years, and it just looks really good. The guys just got done sealing it. This was an old area where the client had an old above pool that got ripped out, so we're waiting for the seal to dry. They can put their furniture back in, and we are all wrapped up here.